Hello, everyone. This is Miss Jordan. Thank you for joining us for another edition of Cumberland at Home. So, what we're going to do today, we're going to play a wonderful phonics game. Go to your packet, and what you're going to look for is what's in the middle. You will need to have some help cutting out the domino cards. This is played similar to domino if you've ever played it. So, it'll take some time to cut them out. Once you get them cut out, they'll look something like this. Our goal today is to listen for the middle sound, the middle phonic sound. So here's the sounds that you'll be listening for and matching up on your cards. You're going to be listening for a long double E sound like Jeep, Queen, Seed, Feet. You'll be listening for the OR sound in corn, fork, horn, sword. Short O sound like box, top, mop, sock. I'm telling you this so that you'll be listening, using your ears to listen for that middle phonic sound. And they are going to be phonic sounds in the middle. That's why it's called What's in the Middle. Okay, so you'll be listening and you'll be using your eyes to recognize those sounds. AR sound in shark, card, barn, yard. AI sound in brain, rain, nail, mail. Short I sound in lip, ring, fish, six. And long U sound in flute, juice, cube, and music. Now, the object of our game is to play dominoes, start with the map, and race to find the treasure in the treasure box. Okay, so we're going to form our dominoes and keep going until we reach the treasure box. So let's get started. It does take some thinking. You can play it with your family, you can play it with your siblings, you can play it by yourself. So this is a fun game. It's called What's in the Middle. I'm going to tilt it down. What I've done, boys and girls, is I've placed my pictures on this side. And they do have words on it. Then I placed the actual description of the, like this one says, short O sound, and then it has core. Let me make sure. Yes. So it will have, I'm sorry, it has seed on there. So excuse me. So on this side of the card, you're looking for a short O word. And this one, you're looking for seed, double E. So I want to explain that. And what I did was I put the descriptions on this side. I try to put the words on this side. Okay, so let's begin. Takes a little bit of time to get it going. First thing we want to start with is our starting point with queen, double E. The middle sound is double E. So I'm going to tilt it down just a little bit so you can see it. Okay, it may take some adjusting. So we've got queen. Now we're looking for either queen, the word queen to match it. Okay, so here's our card. Queen to match it, and then corn, the OR sound is what we're matching. Now we're looking for our next domino. The middle sound is corn, corn, OR sound. So I will be looking for that. So I'll either look for corn or another word that makes that sound. And so what I'm going to find is, I found a description. So I'm going to put it right here. And you can see OR. And then the next one that I'm going to make is, and you'll see, I'm going to look for box, the short O sound, ox. And I actually found a picture of box. So I'm going to put box right beside it, box. I'm matching the middle sound, box. Now, what middle sound am I looking for next? Is cork, O-R sound, cork, O-R. So I'm going to look for an O-R picture or the description of it. And so I've got corn has that in there, so I match it. This word rhymes with corn. Cork, corn does not, so I cannot choose that one. So I have to find either a word, a picture that goes with cork, O-R, or a description of O-R. So I look carefully around And I've got fork. Fork rhymes with cork. Fork rhymes with cork. That's the description. And so now my middle sound that I have matched up with is OR, and it rhymes. Fork and cork. Now, on this card, I'm looking for this short I word ends with the sh sound. So I leave that there. I'm trying to turn it upside down so you can see. And now I'm looking for a I in the middle and sh at the end. Well, it has to be fish. I'm going to slide it over just a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Fish. So I match up the middle sound I and then sh. So I match that up. And now what I'm looking for, what OR word that begins with k. And guess what? I already know it's going to be corn. So I'm looking for corn. And it takes a moment to find the description that I was just looking for. And here it is, corn. So I put that here. And now there's my match. I'll slide it over just a little bit so you can see. Now, the next word that I'm trying to match up on my domino, short I word that begins with an L. Well, I look all around. I found a picture of lip, and I'm looking for the short I sound, lip. Good job, guys. Thank you for your help with that one, lip. So now I put that here. So the short I sound matches with this one, lip. Now our new word that we're trying to match, and I'm going to slide the cards down a little bit, is brain. I'm listening for the AI sound, brain, brain. So now I have to find a word or picture that has the short, has the AI sound. Brain and rain go together. So I match that one. Hope you can see. Brain and rain. They have the same middle sound. Next one that we're going to try to find a domino to match is juice. The juice. So I'm looking for either a picture that has the a picture of the long U sound, and I'm going to pick flute. So flute and juice have the same middle sound. Flute and juice. Okay. Next one that I'm going to look for that I'm trying to find a domino is the 6 has a short, the picture is 6, so we want the short I sound. And so I'm going to look for a word that has, and guess what I'm going to pick? Ring. Ring has the short I sound in the middle, so that matches with 6. There we go, guys. We're doing a great job. Now, it does take some thinking. The next thing that we're going to look for is a word that has the OR sound, like in sword, sword. So I have to look very careful to either find a picture or, and I guess I found it, or a picture or the description. Okay. And so I am going to look around carefully. I found one. So I'm looking for OR. And what I found right now is horn and sword have the same middle sound. So I put my picture there, horn and sword. Great job, guys. Thank you for your help. Now we're looking for a domino that has the short O sound, like in sock, ok, sock, ok. And I have top, has the same middle sound. So I place it right here. I hope you can see it. Now we've matched the middle sound of sa-a-ok, ta-a-ok. Now our new word that we're looking for to match up is card, card, card. So I'm looking for, and I actually have it, card. So I'm going to put card right here. Card matches the picture of card. Now, guess what we're going to do? Now we're looking for mail, mail. So I can either find a picture of mail or find the description. And guess what? I found mail, and we have raced and made it to the treasure box. We did it. Good job, guys. And we have made it to the end. I hope that you have enjoyed playing this What's in the Middle phonic game. So keep playing, guys. I'll see you next time. Enjoy. I'm going to go back and play it again.